everyone, Tom here again at Strapworks.com, and today we're talking about a new, really cool buckle, the Fidlock. It's magnetic based, super cool, and we're going to show you 3 styles today. Okay, number 1 is our slide release. Now, the way this works is you simply slide the buckle apart. Now, this is the cool part. That's together. That is together and will not give. Slide it apart, drop it together. Very easy, very cool. Style 1. All right, style 2 is what we call our quick release, and that's just flip and you're done. Again, see how easy that went back together? Flip and it's apart, but that's it, locked and tight. This one has the extra advantage here of being completely adjustable on one end. The others are not always that adjustable. You might need a slide. Style 2. Okay, style 3 is what we call our top release. It's got the release here. You just bring it up a little bit, flip it back, boom, you're apart. Again, the neat thing, that's together and that's tight. We have this one on a dog collar, which is really kind of cool because the dog, even if they're scratching, they can't really get this open. It's one of the few that will work in that aspect. Okay, so there's our 3 styles of Fidlocks, everybody. You might be asking yourself, so what? Well, yes, they're cool. Yes, they're very easy to use. But why? Well, what about people who have issues with their muscles, their joints? They can't use their entire hand. It's very easy to break this apart with almost a sweeping motion, and then all you need to do is get close and it's done. So the elderly and some folks that are challenged with arthritis or things of that nature, these buckles are a godsend. Fidlock buckles, check them out on the website, strapworks.com.